Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss the one of the most important operational challenge, which is safety in the Suncor company. Me and my friend Vinamra and Raj Vaibhav are going to discuss the technological solution for the operation challenge safety. Starting with the introduction of the Suncor. Suncor Energy is located in the Calgary, Alberta. Is the largest Canadian energy corporation which produces the mass crude oil. Suncor trade in the crude oil made from Alberta oil sands. Suncor deal in the various form of fuel, gasoline, jet fuel, and kerosene, and diesel fuel, which is also supplied to the USA. Suncor have the subsidiary in the Canada with the name of Petro Canada. Now let's talk the operational challenges. Safety. Suncor is facing safety issues regarding the work and the operations in their facilities. Suncor acknowledged the death of the worker at its space facility on Jan 6, 2014 because of the crack in the pipeline. It is well known the fact that equipment in the gas and oil industry need regular maintenance to operate smoothly without any incidents. Now I'm going to talk about the technological solution which our team has identified. First, starting with the first use of drone in the safety inspections. Autonomous haulage system using cloud computing. Starting with the first use of the drone in the safety inspection. Helios 2 is developed by the Flyability company. The main motive of this developing this drone is to do the indoor inspection of the oil and gas facilities. Helios 2 can do the indoor inspection very accurately without any error. Helios 2 can be used in the confined space where humankind can't go and can't reach, or the location which are very prone to the hazard. The main purpose of the Helios 2 is to inspect the pipeline of the gas and oil companies, because it can use the thermals and 4K video recording to capture the image, so that operator can detect the cracks which are not able to catch with the naked eyes. The Helios 2 is successful in inspecting the pipeline of the oil and gas factory to identify the major and the minor cracks. Helios 2 use the oblique lighting to spot the minor crack in the pipeline which are not able to seen by the naked eye. It is a new technology which are getting faster day by day. Drones are very cost effective, and company don't have to pay any money to do the inspection, and it is a one-time investment. Drone can save a lot of time because it can fly easily and have a very mobility as compared to the human. It have a less chance of getting error. Thank you. Next slide will be explained by my friend Vinamra.
Thank you, Gaurav. Now I would like to present the use of cloud computing, which can be used to overcome the operational safety challenge at Suncor. As we already know, oil and gas industry is a data-rich industry. They have been leader in technology since when British Petroleum was mapping oil reservoirs in Alaska using the state-of-the-art computers. This trend has continued, and two of the current supercomputers are owned by oil and gas companies. However, it is seen that in today's world, most of their data collected remains unused in their local servers, which is very vulnerable to the hackers as well. So using the cloud computing, below challenges can be easily mitigated. The challenges which are faced by company right now is data management, older plants and refineries with maintenance is required, abrupt failures leading to losses and downtime, integrating old and new softwares, challenging in managing the workforce. So using the cloud computing, these companies can use a network of remote servers hosted on the internet to store and manage and process the data at a very reduced cost. So today data can be stored in any virtual hub rather than local servers, enabling cloud computing services to be implemented more securely. So I would suggest Suncor to go ahead and look for the data collected in their equipments. And if it is required, then they should go ahead and hire some cloud service providers like Microsoft Azure, which can help Suncor to better improve the employee and customer experiences across their businesses, from the frontline workers in industrial settings to a gas station employee attendants at Petro-Canada or EV stations to office workers across the Suncor. Digital technology will be the means to draw the superior insight from the data and will open up the new ways to drive improved economic, social, and environmental performances in future. Thank you. Now I would like to ask Mr. Raj Vaibhav to continue the slide further.
Now let's talk about the use of autonomous haulage system. So, Komatsu company has created technology called autonomous haulage system that enables for the safe and efficient operation of human mining equipment. But as the Suncor also requires these types of technology, and as evident that Suncor has problems with the drivers, and they notice the death of drivers while working there. So Suncor can use this type of technology at their plant. So this is the autonomous haulage system. So it installs a control system on the truck and a computer control room. So Suncor can utilize this technology and apply it to a soft rock mine where there is snow and rain, and thus it is the place where Suncor can make this work. So in this technology, GPS is installed on all mine equipment so that the system always know where each piece of equipment is in space and relative to each other. So trucks only travel along predefined courses to assigned destinations, and a supervisory system manages the safe movement of trucks using onboard system and GPS information provided by all vehicles in the mine area. So ASH technology has a number of possible applications, and also it improve the safety performance, improve operational efficiency, and also along with that decrease the operating expenses. So uh, uh, let's move further to talk about the one more point, that is each truck incorporates a combination of vehicle controls, precision GPS, and ODS, that is obstacle detection system, using radar and laser and wireless network system developed by Komatsu. So now I will ask my friend Vinamra to discuss and suggest the final group recommendation. Thank you.
Thank you, Raj. Now I would like to present our group's recommendation. After carefully looking at all the solutions provided by us to Suncor, we have pointed down just one recommendation, which is Suncor should go towards adopting cloud computing technology, as it covers wide range of solutions for different problems happening at Suncor. And also in the same industry, there have been many big players using cloud computing as their basic technology and have been generating good return on investment with the initial investment they have made. Now let's just go towards the graph, which shows the cloud computing trends in recent times. As you can see in the graph, it is shown that cloud services provided as three types. First is software as a service, another is platform as a service, and the last one is infrastructure as service. So for Suncor, they should probably go with infrastructure as service, as the requirement is to get all the sensors and all the equipments under the coverage and host all of the data towards the infrastructure provided by the company. So this way, Suncor can contact any of the major providers like SQL, Emerson, Hamilton, Microsoft Azure to maintain their equipments and to just go with them for the end-to-end cloud technology. Also, the graph shows that SaaS is growing by 50% almost in up to 2024, which is like the fastest growing technology in the market right now. And we hope so that hitting the market at perfect time for Suncor would be the best idea right now. These were the basis of which we have provided our recommendation. Thank you.